Why is the HAL so important for Windows drivers? Imagine trying to build a puzzle with pieces from different sets. It would be confusing and nearly impossible to complete. That's similar to how computers manage hardware and software. The Hardware Abstraction Layer, or HAL, is like the puzzle master that keeps everything in order. It acts as a bridge between the Windows operating system and the physical hardware inside your computer. Without it, drivers would have to understand every tiny detail of each piece of hardware, which would be a huge mess. The HAL simplifies this by offering a standard way for drivers to communicate with hardware. It hides the complex details of processors, buses, and peripherals, so drivers only need to talk to the HAL. This means drivers don't need to be rewritten every time hardware changes or a new device is added. Instead, the HAL handles those differences behind the scenes. This makes driver development easier and helps keep your system running smoothly. From a system management point of view, the HAL is vital because it provides a stable environment for drivers. It manages power states, interrupts, and other hardware functions consistently across different systems. This separation of hardware-specific code from the core Windows code reduces errors and improves system stability. When hardware vendors create drivers, they develop them against the HAL's interface. This ensures their drivers work with many different hardware setups without needing major changes. The HAL also makes it easier for Windows to support new hardware. When a new device comes out, manufacturers can develop drivers that work with the HAL's standard interface. This reduces the effort needed to support new or legacy devices. It also helps Windows update hardware support without needing to overhaul the entire system. In simple terms, the HAL is essential because it provides a uniform way for Windows drivers to interact with hardware. It hides the hardware differences, making driver creation easier. It keeps drivers portable and easier to maintain across different systems. It supports system functions like power management and interrupt handling in a consistent way. And it allows Windows to work smoothly with a wide range of hardware configurations. Without the HAL, managing drivers and hardware would be a much more complicated task.